Want to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers or make money with CPA marketing even as a beginner? Learn this strategy right here because this is going to be a stress-free strategy beginners can actually take advantage of to get traffic to the CPA marketing offers. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you do like such content, make sure you scroll through my channel. You'll be able to see a lot of cool videos that could be helpful to you in boosting your income online. Also come right here and subscribe to my channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all so that I do alert you whenever I release videos right there on how you can actually boost your income with CPA marketing and make money online. So jumping right ahead into today's video, the first thing which you want to do right now is to get an account created on a platform called CPA Grip or any other CPA marketing platform you can actually grab hold of. If you do come right here, click on register, you're going to be brought to this page right now, and you want to fill out this particular field right here to provide the basic details to this form. You want to fill the field having this red asterisk signs, as they are actually the necessary field you must go on to filling out before your account can actually get created. You could skip out fields without that sign and actually agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out like I am doing right now. Click on register now and get your account created. Once you do that, guys, you can actually go on to login into your account. So once you're logged into your account, to get to this page right here, come onto this section, click on offer tools, and once you do click on offer tools, go on to selecting my offers and be brought to a page such as this. Once you do that, guys, as you can see, you could go on to filtering this particular offers to getting offers from any demographic of your choice. Supposing you want to select offers from a top tier country like the United States, do fix that in right here and you'll be able to see offers available to that demographic. Right now I'm going to filter the offers based on payout by clicking on payout, and you can see right now these are actually the highest paying offer. This offer pays about $2.57, this pays $2.31, and the list keep going on and on. And those offers actually for every successful lead you do get to that particular offer. You could click on the offer, you'll be able to see more details. This is actually kind of like a giveaway for a $100 Walmart gift card. It's a desktop offer, an email and zip submit offer, and here's the payout to the offer, which is $2.57. Here's your unique affiliate link to promoting this offer. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to creating a landing page for the offer. So you could copy the link right here, head on to any landing page builder site and get a landing page created. You could use the systeme.io, breezy.io, or even the Google site right now to get an account or a landing page created. And you could also come right here to my channel. If you don't know how to create a landing page, go onto the video section, come right here, click on this search icon, and you want to just simply go on to maybe typing in landing page. And once you do type in landing page, click on enter right now. It's actually going to show you videos which I created for you that can actually help you go on to creating a simple landing page right now using cool platforms like the Breezy Cloud. This one right here is for the systeme.io. This is for Google sites. So go on to watching such videos that they can actually go on to helping you learn how to create a simple landing page right now. So if you do create a landing page, you can actually create a landing page for multiple CPA marketing offers. Select multiple CPA marketing offers, go on to inserting that to your landing page so that your leads will actually have a variety of offers to select from, and actually go on to completing such offers, and you do make some cool affiliate commission for every successful lead you do get. And to actually get targeted traffic, you may actually want to go on to utilizing this particular platform right here, which is called the Tcom. And this is an amazing platform you can actually use to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers, as this platform is actually like a forum that actually focuses on making money online. As you can see, this is the make money forum right here, which you could actually go on to focus on. So with this platform right here, you can utilize that to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offer. And you want to just simply go on to analyzing that platform based on similar web statistics, and you actually do find out more details about the platform that it gets 62.7 thousand visits in the last 28 days, and you can actually scroll down to the country and geography targeting, where is traffic come from the United States the most. So this is actually a platform you can actually utilize. Since this traffic comes from the United States the most, you want to just simply promote a United States offer using this particular platform called the Tcom. So and that strategy you could go on to utilizing is using the TikTok right here. If you do head on to TikTok, TikTok is an amazing platform you could take advantage of maybe I do come right here and search for make money online. You'll be able to see some cool and amazing videos you can actually use or do see right here about making money online. So you could actually go into creating a simple video right here on such platform to actually help you promote that CPA marketing offer. Create some cool videos that can help you promote your CPA marketing offers, and you can actually take advantage of some AI tools out there to help you do just that. You could utilize platforms like InVideo.io, the Flicky.ai, the Pictory AI, and other AI tools right there. All these AI tools can actually help you go into creating videos right now in a breeze right here. You could actually create videos in a matter of 10 minutes or less than that with the help of these 3 AI tools. With Flicky AI, you could create a video in about 2 minutes. With the Pictory AI or the InVideo, you could create the videos in about 10 minutes right now. And those videos, guys, you can actually use that as promotional videos by converting a text to speech or the text to video right here with the help of this platform. And you could also generate text right now using ChatGPT right here and go on to converting that into a video with the help of these platforms right there, and actually go on to using that particular video. Maybe you could add in a call to action in such videos and use that to actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer landing page. Once you actually go on to upload that on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and as many social media platforms of your choice. And using that, guys, you do get lots and lots of traffic and go on to making a lot of money. So even as a beginner, you can actually try out this strategy. Make sure you do take out much of your time each day to actually implement this strategy and go on to making a lot of money with CPA marketing. So if the video was helpful, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.